वेट अंदर चलो ना, अंदर चलो अंदर।
आइए प्लीज आइए। मुकेश सर, जय माता दी।
तुम पापा से पूछ के आई है ना?
हाँ
कैसे सर? जय माता।
क्या हाल चाल है?
बढ़िया। अभी कॉलेज इधर शिवानी
Settle down just to decide who's going to sit where so that you have that perfect glance because we all are truly looking forward to the grand unveiling of our prestigious magazine, The Unveiling of Society, Interiors and Design. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for all of us to put our hands together for the one and only from Magnet Publishing, our living legend. Well, he's been ruling the world of not just media and the film world, but also the world of interior designing, allowing students to get real great access to all those legends in the world of real estate and interior designing, and at the same time giving them the right training. Let's give it up for the one and only Mr. Ashok Damankar as we request you to join us here. Thank you so much. Our very talented editor, may we please welcome Swati Balgi. Swati, thank you so much. We're very excited to take a look at everyone who's been featured in the magazine and about the latest whereabouts because this is summertime, vacation time. So, Preeti, just like everyone, we try to redo or do something new with our beautiful space. So, it's very, very special. So, thank you so much. So, are we ready, everyone, to meet our superstars? Everybody?
Yeah, ready.
Loud cheer?
Yes.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, and this is the most awaited moment. Winning hearts right from being an inspector in Sarfarosh to Koi Mil Gaya to, ladies and gentlemen, innumerable films, not just in our Bollywood film fraternity, but also in South. Personality, ladies and gentlemen, which is very rich, and at the same time, जो उन्हें एक बार देखते हैं और उनसे मिलते हैं, उनके दीवाने हो जाते हैं. हम भी उनके दीवाने हैं. जोरदार तालियों से स्वागत करते हैं, ladies and gentlemen, our living legend, Mr. Mukesh Rishi. Please, thank you so much. Sorry, I'll correct myself. Our young living legend, Mukesh Rishi ji. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, what a beautiful feeling as we have the very, very pretty girl sitting here. And right from the music album that she played, well, let me tell you, न सिर्फ directors, producers, but her दिल की धड़कन आज तक है वो. जी हाँ, with a beautiful, lovely girl next door that she played and danced with a beautiful classical act in Mohabbatein, she's still winning hearts. Maybe please put hands together for the supremely pretty, the gorgeous, and supremely talented, and now also a very renowned entrepreneur. Let's give it up for Preeti Jangiani. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, Pro Punjab League is creating waves across the world, and besides that, the one who's been ruling not just the Bollywood films but also English films, and more than that, the real game changer is when his performance live. Right, ladies and gentlemen, right from his performance to becoming a producer to getting into the world of sports with Pro Panchali. May we please welcome Parveen the Boss. Thank you so much, Parveen. Thank you for joining us here. And सजना कहते कहते हमने तो सच में उसी को अपना सजना माना है, and now she's absolutely excited to recreate one of the most amazing classic. फिलहाल राज को राज रखते हैं, फाश नहीं करते हैं. May we please welcome the very beautiful, sensational singer. जब वो गाती है तो न सिर्फ हमारे दिल तक बल्कि रूह तक आवाज पहुंचाती है. Shibani Kashyap for us, ladies and gentlemen. Wow, this looks truly amazing. So are we ready for the unveiling, friends? All right, so we're gonna have the countdown of 10. All right, and आराम से करेंगे. We're taking our positions. We're gonna have the countdown of 10. At 1, we're gonna have the grand. You can join me. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Ooh la la la, ladies and gentlemen, on the cover page, presenting Vardhaman Group, Society, Interiors and Design. I'm going to request my dignitaries to please join us ahead of the unveiling with a beautiful picture where we have all the projects of the Vardhaman Group. That's Mumbai's real estate redefining luxury and innovation. Swati ma'am, you can smile. We're proud of you and your work. Thank you. We're truly thankful to Invincible, this amazing place, and mujhe wada yaad. So friends, this is a very, very beautiful moment as I'm going to kindly request Ashok Damankar sir and Swati ma'am to kindly fill little ahead. Sure. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, कि मुझे तो लगा सबके हाथ में मोबाइल फोन से हैं, तो आप चीयर कर सकते हैं, वाह अमेजिंग, सीटी भी बजा सकते हैं आप. Thank you.
लोक सेंटर सब यहाँ पे देखिए इस तरफ सब. हेलो क्या देखिए.
And huge round of applause for the entrepreneur and leading the film world along with the sport world with this great Kashyap. You look lovely, Shibani. We'd like to also welcome Rajiv. We're going to have a picture with you as well later. Thank you. Magnet. Keep meeting time and again and allowing me to be the anchor for your show. Well, friends, my name is Simran Ahuja and I'm truly elated to always be a part of society. Jangyani, I'm requested to kindly join us here. Pretty at first, you've always been here with us at Society Interiors and Design even earlier. How has your association so far been? And this is 2025 now. So this is the first time we are meeting you at Society. How does it feel? And you're looking lovely.
Firstly, Simran, thank you very much for your beautiful introduction as always. Simran is a fantastic host and hosted innumerable events. Firstly, I'd like to congratulate Society Interior and Design for their fabulous cover and for yet another amazing edition. Their quality is always unmatched and is a name in the world of interior and design, and I think it will always remain so. It will be very, very difficult to beat this magazine for anyone. Ashok ji, I am so very proud of you for continuing this legacy in this manner. It's fantastic what you have been doing so far and what you are doing today as well. I'd really, really like to congratulate you, and I feel very, very happy to be here at the unveiling. It's also a very special day for him, but I think I'm not allowed to reveal that yet. I will allow him to reveal.
Sabko pata hai. That's the best part. Sabko pata hai. वो secret है. This is one of the secrets.
Ma'am, thank you very much for welcoming me. And, congratulations on all the work all of you have been doing and the entire team at Society Interiors. So once again, it feels fantastic to be here, and I congratulate everyone who's featured in here. It's a big deal. So thank you very much for having me here. Thank you.
Thank you.
Picture with Ashok sir, na?
Make great greens all around. Thank
Not
you.
that much. It's not that big a cup.
No, but at least you're having all the
It's
good
just some
ones.
mint to put in the nimbu pani. That much.
बस उतना ही चाहिए health के लिए उतना ही चाहिए नींबू पानी. I'll ask you, of course. Preeti, the last question you'd like to know, and everyone would like to know, the world would like to know about your future projects. What is lined up for you now?
Yes, definitely. I hope everyone has enjoyed Kafas. That's on
Yes.
Sony Live. That's currently on. But we're also very, very proud and very, very excited about the Pro Panja League, which completed its first season on Sony Sports. And we are very much gearing up for season 2. It is a sport that nobody knew would come up in this manner, and it's taken not just India but the world by storm now. I can say that now because on our first, in just our first season, we had 32 million unique viewers on Sony Sports, which is a huge deal for any league in its first season, and it's only going to grow from here.
So what's this your idea? कि boss की idea थी? घर के big boss की idea.
I have to give credit where it's due. Parveen is a huge combat sports fan, And yeah, I'm not going to take his line, but you know, he's going to tell you what his line is for
Sure.
this post.
So I'm going to have one picture with both of you here, and then I'm going to request Preeti to take a seat. But thank you know the great, fabulous news that we've been hearing about the Pro Panjali. सबसे पहले तो पूछना चाहूँगी, how has your association been? You've always been here with us at Society, and I'm meeting you for several times now, only here at Society Interiors and Design. How has your association been so far?
It's been wonderful. Last time, of course, Nali ji was here, and his spirit and strength is still there with everyone. And Ashok ji is doing a fabulous, fabulous job taking that legacy forward now. And I think associations, life, everything is about relationships. And there's a great relationship here. And whenever Ashok ji calls us, we'll always be there. And I am a huge fan of the magazine. You know, I actually love sometimes whenever I get time studying interiors and you know the way different people design different looks, because I feel you know it's about surrounding yourself with beautiful things. Sometimes you know it's about vastu, it's about different things, but it's about being in a home which you appreciate and you would want to live in and look around every day. चाहे आप खुद करो, चाहे interior designer or architect, of course, you know. So, but the home is such an important place, and interiors, and you know, is about you know our spaces that we live in.
Right.
So, congrats again, Ashok ji and team Swati ji and the whole Society team for such a wonderful magazine.
What are we looking forward to with the Pro Panjali, and as an entrepreneur, what's really on the cards, and of course as an actor as well?
First, I'll tell you as an actor,
We-
because
we-
I'll
we
always
very
be an
keen
actor
to know
first.
that.
बाकी
We
काम
very
चलता
keen,
रहता
yeah.
है. But I got a huge Amazon show called Andekhi coming out, which is an Excel Entertainment production.
Wow, Andekhi.
And, I've got a film called The Room coming out, which is in post-production, but should start doing the festival rounds soon. So, and there are a couple of other things I'm going to start shooting now. And as far as Pro Panjali goes, we're going to be we're getting ready for our second season now. We'll be announcing the date this week. And
Wow, this week itself.
yeah.
Interesting.
So it's again a passion project in a way, because we've managed to make a difference in the lives of a lot of athletes who didn't have a platform. So I think for us it's about creating that platform and uplifting a whole you know community of athletes. And the best part is also not just the league, of course, that's great, but even better is the fact that we are able to take Team India abroad, you know. So that is the best feeling, you know, being there, taking the athletes, you know, who represent the country, and when they're there winning medals, I think that is the moment of satisfaction, when you know athletes representing your country can win medals amongst you know a huge amount of nations. So I think that is what makes it all worth it.
Sure. I have a very small question. Really want to know, in the acting world, coming back to acting, do you have a different approach for the character when you're playing for a Hindi film or an English film? Is it a different feeling, or how is it?
No, I
Anything
think you know human beings are not different anywhere in the world. You know, they're the same. We all want the same things. We all aspire to the same things. You know, we want to take care of our family. We want to bring up our children, right? So we want to do the same thing. So human beings are not different. भाषा अलग अलग जगह में अलग अलग है. So it's just कि भाषा अलग है, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है कि आप सोचते अलग हैं या कुछ वो है. So you know the way you work on a character is the same. It's just the language which is different. Yeah.
I can't thank you enough for joining us. It's been very, very special, and you'll have always been good luck charms for us.
Thank you. And
So
again,
thank you
like
so
Preeti,
much.
I want to say thank you. You've been always very, very wonderful.
Thank you so much.
So many places. It's great to be there when you're there.
But also the South films. He's the Aan, Baan and Shaan of our entire film world. May we please give it up for the one and only Mukesh Rishi ji. Swagat hai aapka, and we truly thank you on behalf of Society Interiors and Design for honoring us with your very bright presence, your smile, and your personality is like always, wow. You're here.
छोरी बहुत बोलती है. Thank you so much, Society, having me. जिस तरह इस सोसाइटी का डिज़ाइन और इंटीरियर जो है बहुत सुंदर है, उसी तरह उसी सोसाइटी में एक आदमी है जिसका नाम अशोक है। ये जब जब बुलाते हैं, इनकार करने का कोई रीज़न ही नहीं होता है। ही इज सो सिंपल एंड ही इज सो गुड ह्यूमन बीइंग। थैंक यू वेरी मच अशोक। और क्योंकि जब भी मैं नारी साहब से मिला हूँ, उनकी बहुत काम पर्सनैलिटी जो है ना, उनको देखो तो बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है। और वही कैरी फॉरवर्ड कर रहे हैं अशोक अपनी ज़िंदगी में भी और इस मैगजीन के साथ भी। तो नारी साहब नुमाइंदे, हमेशा खुशी होती है यहाँ आके, जहाँ इमीडिएटली आप इन्वॉल्व हो जाते हैं। बहुत कम फंक्शन ऐसे होते हैं, करते हैं चले जाते हैं, लेकिन कभी कभी दिल आपका वो समय जो गुजारते हो आप उसी के अंदर चले जाते हैं। तो दिस इज वन ऑफ द मोमेंट व्हेन आई एम ऑलवेज विद अशोक। सो गॉड ब्लेस यू अशोक, कीप डूइंग गुड वर्क माय डियर, गॉड ब्लेस।
Ladies and gentlemen, Mukesh Ushrisa is also a very renowned producer and also ruling the world of the Punjabi films. It's all in one. Which is that best space you like? Set पर वो कौन सी आपकी favorite space है जहाँ पे आपको बैठने को अच्छा लगता है? Is it कैमरा के आगे as an actor, या is it as a director, as a boss around, as a producer? Sir, कौन सी जगह बहुत अच्छी?
करेक्ट कर देता हूँ मैं आपको। मैंने एक ही फिल्म प्रोड्यूस की है, वो भी अपने बेटे की।
हाँ सर, मैं जानती हूँ ना सर, नहीं थी वहाँ पे।
मैं चाह रहा था एज ए फादर मैं उसके लिए क्या कर सकता हूँ। पंजाबी मेरी लैंग्वेज थी, मुझे लगा कि मेरे दोनों काम हो जाएंगे, कि पंजाबी को अपना बेटा सौंप रहा हूँ मैं, और मुझे खुशी होगी कि अगर उसमें कामयाब होता है। तो उसमें मुझे एज ए प्रोड्यूसर एक्सपीरियंस जो मुझे हुआ, बाकी मैं एक्टर हूँ वही रहूँगा, डायरेक्शन का कोई इरादा नहीं मेरा। सबसे अच्छी बात मुझे क्या लगी, जो ज़िंदगी जो सफ़र मेरा रहा, कि मैंने जैसे अभी कहा इन्होंने कि इंग्लिश में क्या फ़र्क है एज एन एक्टर, और क्या फ़र्क है, थोड़ा फ़र्क यही है कि किस तरह बात करते हैं, वो किस तरह सोचते हैं। तो आप हमारी स्टेट से स्टेट चले जाएंगे, कहने का तरीका और हो जाता है, कपड़े पहनते हैं हम डिफरेंट हो जाते हैं। ये सबसे बड़ी ब्यूटी मुझे एज एन एक्टर लगी, जो मुझे मौका मिला, मुझे धोती पहनने का मौका मिला। जब वो धोती और उसका कपड़ा पहनते हैं तो तेलुगु में जब बात होती है, भले ही उतनी लैंग्वेज नहीं मालूम, लेकिन जब उसको फील करके कुछ बात करते हैं तो हम अलग हो जाते हैं। इसी तरह ही जब आप इंग्लिश बोलते हैं तो इंग्लिश का स्टाइल अलग है बात करने का, इतना डीप नहीं होते हो किसी भी उसमें, तो वो जब पकड़ता है एक्टर तो उसे परफॉर्म करता है। तो मुझे लगता है एज एन एक्टर यही मुझे सबसे बड़ी अचीवमेंट लगती है।
सर, इसलिए आपको यंग लिविंग लेजेंड कहते हैं, इतनी गहराई से आप कैरेक्टर्स प्ले करते हैं, बट आई फील इट्स एब्सोल्युटली एफर्टलेस। आई थिंक इट्स ऑल नेचुरल कमिंग टू यू। मुझे तो लगता ही नहीं आप कुछ मेहनत करते हैं सर।
वो तो करना पड़ेगा ना बेबी,
नहीं करते आप।
वो बुलाते हमें किसी विश्वास के ऊपर, जब आप हायर किए जाते हो। ये चीज़ डिसिप्लिन मैंने साउथ इंडिया में देखा, बहुत इज्जत मिलती है। आपने वहाँ स्ट्रगल नहीं किया होता, बॉम्बे से या कहीं से भी किसी भी स्टेट से जब वो बुलाते हैं तो आप बुलाए जाते हो विद लॉट ऑफ रिस्पेक्ट। तो मुझे हमेशा लगा कि ये जो रिस्पेक्ट इन्होंने दी है ये कम नहीं होनी चाहिए। जितनी उन्होंने दी है उतना हमारी ड्यूटी बन जाती है कि पे बैक, बिकॉज इट्स ए प्रोफेशनल थिंग। इट्स नॉट कि वहाँ से आए हैं, बॉम्बे से आए हैं तो लेट्स रिस्पेक्ट इट, नो, इट्स ए प्रोफेशनल थिंग। तो ये सब चीज़ें सीखने को मिली है इस जर्नी में, तो मुझे इसी लगता है यही सबसे बड़ी अचीवमेंट है।
Beautiful. And sir, towards the last question, जहाँ हम सब जानना चाहेंगे about the future, और कौन सी films हैं? You said as an actor, of course, and what is that we're looking forward to?
अभी एक पंजाबी फिल्म रिलीज हुई है, वो चल रही है। एक बहुत बड़ी फिल्म तेलुगु में रिलीज हो रही है, कन्नप्पा उसका नाम है। मोहन बाबू जी बहुत बड़े प्रोड्यूसर और वहाँ के हीरो भी हैं, और उनका बेटा इस फिल्म में हीरो है। तो उस फिल्म में बहुत सारा टाइम दिया हम लोगों ने, और मुझे बहुत खुशी है वो फिल्म करके, क्योंकि उसकी कहानी ऐसी है कि वो पंजाबी में भी उसका मतलब वही है, तेलुगु में वही है, तमिल में भी वैसा ही है। क्योंकि कुछ सब्जेक्ट ऐसे होते हैं जो सबके होते हैं, सिर्फ तरीका अलग हो जाता है उन्हें प्रेजेंट करने का। तो ये जो साउथ इंडिया, कुछ पंजाबी कुछ हिंदी, एक सीरीज मैंने की है जो शायद अगस्त में रिलीज होगी। वो उसको ज़्यादा नहीं बता सकूँगा मैं, सलाहकार उसका है, पर बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग है मेरे लिए।
Wow, that's wonderful. So much in pipeline. We've spoken about his personality. his great intelligence. He's a genius in the world of acting. लेकिन जो बहुत ही अहम बात है, that is his rich baritone vocals. आपकी आवाज सुनते ही कुछ तो हो जाता है. So it's wonderful, ladies and gentlemen. Let's give it up for the one and only Mukesh Rishi.
Thank you.
And so Sajna Aveja, well, she's been ruling the world of music, ladies and gentlemen. Also, absolutely fabulously as a women entrepreneur, not entrepreneur as doing something as an entrepreneur, but for those entrepreneur ladies to having and being the voice of every girl, every lady, every woman. Let's give it up for the one and only Shibani Kashyap. Hi Shibani, it's always so wonderful to have you here. You've always been a part of every endeavor of society, interiors and design. How does it feel being here today?
I think we go back 20 years now, and my gosh, it really feels like being home. It's like family to me, and super proud of Ashok Dhamankar and his entire team. And so whenever they've been coming to Delhi, when I used to live in Delhi, it used to be like one big party actually. And I'm very proud to say that, you know, they featured my house when I was in Delhi, of course, in Society Interiors. So that was very, very sweet. So yeah, it's been a lovely journey with them, really.
Oh, that's very special. So that's your best memory. Yeah, when your house was featured, of course. So that was a Delhi Kagar. Oh, that's beautiful. Well, ladies and gentlemen, Shibani here, तो of course song तो हम सुनेंगे, लेकिन उससे पहले we really want to know what is in store for you. ज़रूर, the way you've recreated is remarkable. You are an incredible singer, goes without saying. But what is in future for you? What are you looking forward to? Is there some dream project that you're looking forward to?
I mean, I'm looking forward to many dream projects, but yes, today I'd like to announce that just yesterday, a new show which is coming on Sony Live called Back to Basics. It's a non-fiction show, and it's about, you know, going back to Ayurveda, going back to, you know, yourself literally. So we shot in Nirmayam, and one episode is based on me. So there are 10 episodes. I'm looking forward to it because it's the very first time that I'll be in a web series on Sony Live. So please check it out. It's with the Swami Ramdev and me doing yoga and finding a new voice, and how to enhance your vocals with doing amazing breath techniques. So I think this is something I'm really excited about. So कल ही announce हुआ है, promo कल ही teaser release हुआ है.
Congratulations, between spaces. Ketan Seth, the chairman of Triple ID and the founder of Gold Mine Project Consultant, to kindly join us here to unveil the hard copy of the magazine. So maybe please have the hard copy of the magazine.
Wait.
एक star picture है. Ladies and gentlemen, the grand unveiling, Magnet Publishing Society. Sunil Khavnekar ji, please. Shivendra Parihal ji, Priya Kamath ji. Smile, everyone, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes, सामने center.
It looks very interesting. There's a different feeling altogether. I know we are living in the world of artificial intelligence, but when we have the magazine in hand, it's a different high altogether. We're very excited to take a look at the magazine. It's been 5 decades of hard work, perseverance, and at the same time, very passionately doing what he loves the most. Maybe please have the honor and privilege to get to hear from the one and only, the very dynamite himself, Mr. Ashok Dhamankar. A few words from you, sir.
Good evening, friends. I would like to thank first all my dignity guests, Pavin, Ritik, and Shibani and Mukesh. Thank you so much for making this evening special for us. And I also like to thank the media friends. In fact, today our chairman, Mr. Narira, is not here, but his legacy, we are all committed that we will be definitely carrying forward his legacy, which he started 50 years ago. Once again, thank you so much.
Wait, okay, no problem.
Instagram बाकी है.
No problem. Outstanding work he's done for the society at large. Ladies and gentlemen, he's Dr. Khalid Sheikh.
Yeah.
Good evening, Ashok Bhai. Thank you very much for inviting me. He just called, I know Ashok Bhai on phone during COVID time. He used to call me अरे डॉक्टर साहब वैक्सीन दिला दो ना, सिर्फ वैक्सीन। अरे अकेले के लिए नहीं, डेली 2 लोग भेजते थे, पहले तो अकेले ले लिए, फिर सबको भेजते रहे। और रियली दैट वाज अ डिफिकल्ट टाइम। आई एम टॉकिंग आई थिंक मार्च 20, वैक्सीन आने के 1 वीक के बाद की बात। एंड अभी सोसाइटी को देख के मुझे ऐसा लगा ना, सोसाइटी फाउंडेशन शुरू करते हैं। शुभ भाई नगर पूछे और
challenges face करता है रियल एस्टेट वर्ल्ड। Ladies and gentlemen, सर के पास सारे solutions हैं, इसलिए जैसे अब मुस्कुरा रहे हैं, हमेशा मुस्कुराते रहते हैं। Ladies and gentlemen, may we please put hands together for the chairman of JVM Spaces, the president of Ghatkopar Gujarati Samaj, and the treasurer of Brihad Mumbai Gujarati Samaj। और इनके 6 अवार्ड नवरात्रि के टाइटल्स मैं जीत चुकी हूँ।
Today is a very good day of summer celebration. So Ashok ji, when invited me, I was told it's not unwilling only, it's a celebration also. So it's a great day. Happy anniversary to both of you. एक ही मैं Simran, I'll request you to have a fire check between 2 of them. So we'll enjoy that.
Okay.
So that is the best part of the today's show.
Okay.
The fire check. दोनों में कैसे मतलब? Are you regretting or enjoying? I don't know.
With prestigious national and international recognitions, and Manisha is always with her own endeavors and achiever. What a fabulous feeling! आज couple special है क्या? सारे couples दिखाई दे रहे हैं मुझे, हाँ ना sir? So I'm going to please request Ketan sir.
Thank you so much for inviting over here, and I'm so happy that I'm with all the dignitaries over here. So I'm also feeling that I'm little small, smaller. I'm also stalwarts of this industry. So you made me feel like that. So with Society Interior, my association is since Mr. Nari Hira's time, and we know Mr. Ashok since many years. And I'm so happy that many of our projects has been published in this magazine, and we got a good amount of recognition because of that. So keep continuing this process, and all the best, Ashok. Thank you so much.
Entire team of Society for doing the amazing work on it. Wish you all the best for all future projects. All the best.
Mr. Deepak Mehta, after his graduation, worked with architect Hafiz Contractor as an associate architect and has grown steadily over 29 years, based out in Mumbai. And today they have spread their wings in more than 12 cities.
And then joining Hafiz Contractor. So, you know, there were very few magazines and such type of media, I would say, you know, where the architects work, the interior designers, you know, everything were really, you know, showcasing their, you know, and they're coming out of it. Now, there are social medias and there's Instagram, there's LinkedIn and this, and still out of this, we would love to open up the magazines, the books in my library and look into it, and that comes to real inspiration out of it.
Ji Sonia, स्वागत है आपका तहे दिल से. What a beautiful feeling to have the very brilliant designer Sonia Poddar, who began her career working on the prestigious JW Marriott Juhu, DS and Sash Design, luxury bespoke furniture, both being an extension of her exquisite work. Exquisite and timeless pieces developed by Sash Design.
This lady. And thank you all, even all the gorgeous people out here. Special thank you to Ashok ji and Swati ji for recognizing all the efforts that I've put in for all my work here. And the team at Society Interiors, like architect Deepak ji, you know, he said that, you know, in this world of social media, they are still sticking to you know, hard copies, and trust me, hard copies, the feel, you know, of reading with a book in your hand, a magazine in your hand, nothing beats it. And continuously they have been always encouraging students and designers to do good work, and the knowledge sharing that happens through Society Interiors, nobody can beat it. So I'm thankful and deepest gratitude for the honor bestowed on me. Thanks a lot and much love to all of you.
His architecture and interior designer firm, which was founded in '94 and marked its presence in various cities across India and Dubai. With an extensive experience of 25 years, Ashish Pancholia successfully completed various projects from architecture to interior.
This is one of the best platforms, Society Design Interiors is one of the best platforms, and everybody, means our designing team or architecture student, everybody likes this platform and this magazine. And in this time of social media, I would like to say this is one of the best, and what they are doing, the team are doing is very tremendous work and tremendous featuring all the
across the country, and the firm's work encompasses diverse residential, commercial and industrial projects. Both
Ashok ji and Sunil ji always inviting me for these lovely events, and in fact they were the ones who pushed me for the Young Talent Design Awards as well. So yeah, there's so many different players nowadays, but the OG Society Interiors magazine has always stood out, and I hope to be a part of it always. Thank you so much.
Joining us here with more than 200,000 films, web series, music albums. They've been ruling the world of outdoor media. Let's give it up for the one and only Dr. Yogesh Lakhani. Please welcome him. Oh my God. So for decades together, James Bond. Thank you, Shubhani. You gave me that name. For years together, he's just the same. हमेशा खुशियाँ देते हैं to the world of events, live events, and the beautiful world of entertainment. The one and only Vasant Bhandari. Bhandari इनके पास खजान.
This is a wonderful platform which he created from last 25 years. My association with him, and all the best to the dignitary who are present here, and all the best to the star of this today's Bollywood. Thank you, Rishi ji.
अरे यार
सर सामने है
Smile कीजिए. Don't have only couple, but we have the entire Chokhani परिवार, खूबसूरत परिवार. स्वागत है आप सबका. Pronounce lovely, beautiful wishes to a very lovely couple.
And Mrs. Namankar, we really love both of them. That's all I want.
Thank you so much. And Society Interiors and Design, and heartfelt gratitude. And with
आज एज ऑलवेज सोसाइटी इंटीरियर्स एंड डिज़ाइन मैगज़ीन की जो इवेंट्स होते हैं वो ऑलवेज़ बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग होते हैं, और हमेशा जो कवर हम अनवेल करते हैं वो ऑलवेज़ एक बहुत ही अनयूजुअल, यूनिक और एक्साइटिंग कवर होता है, और उसके पीछे एक कहानी ज़रूर होती है. सो टुडे वी आर वेरी हैप्पी टू बी हियर विद अशोक जी. नारी जी की जो लेगेसी है वो बहुत ही बेहतरीन तरीके से ही इज़ टेकिंग इट फॉरवर्ड, एंड वी आर वेरी वेरी प्राउड एंड वेरी हैप्पी टू बी हियर.
अशोक सर, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे? नहीं, मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि हम मिस्टर हीरा की जो लेगेसी है उसको कैरी फॉरवर्ड कर रहे हैं, एंड आई एम रियली थैंकफुल फॉर प्रीति एंड परवीन. दे हैव टेकन देयर प्रीशियस टाइम, एंड यहाँ पर आके हमारे साथ जो खुशियाँ बांट रही है उसके लिए आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल टू देम.
हाँ, और सर आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
Congratulate वाइफ तो है, क्या कहते हैं. और first of all, congratulations to Ashok ji and ma'am on their 31st anniversary. I want to congratulate the whole society team. एक जो कवर एक मैगज़ीन है, बहुत लोगों के मेहनत से बनता है, and it's obviously made with a lot of love and passion. So I want to congratulate them on a wonderful cover again, and this is the second time we're coming for the Society magazine unveiling, and last time Nari ji was here, and Ashok ji is taking ahead the legacy with a lot of passion. So congratulations Ashok ji. Thank you.
बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है, and with the great Mukesh Rishi ji and of course our dear Praveen and Preeti, they just we were all बहुत मजा आया. ना Ashok is like family to us, right? So और आज एक स्पेशल दिन भी है, आज है इनकी वेडिंग एनिवर्सरी. So I think it's like a double triple celebration of sorts, है ना भाई?
Yes, yes. जिस तरह जितनी अच्छी मैगजीन है, सबसे खूबसूरती मुझे क्या लगी मैगजीन में, इसमें बहुत सारे नए लोगों को चांस मिलता है. और जहाँ एक तरफ हाफिज़ साहब हैं, दीपक साहब हैं, इतने बड़े बड़े डिज़ाइनर हैं, वहाँ नए लोगों को भी इस मैगज़ीन में बहुत काम मिलता है. और फंक्शंस में भी मैंने कई बार देखा है कि नए बच्चे जो आते हैं, ये जो कम्बिनेशन ऑफ सीनियर्स एंड न्यू पीपल है ना, मुझे लगता है ये बहुत फ्रूटफुल रहेगा. नॉट द ओनली मैगज़ीन, पर उन बच्चों के लिए एक्सपीरियंस कितना ज़बरदस्त है. तो उसके लिए भी मैं अशोक जी को बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया कहता हूँ, और यही कहूँगा कि कुछ ना कुछ इनोवेटिव सोचते रहते हैं, करते रहें. मैं चाहता हूँ कि नए यंग लोगों को भी इस मैगज़ीन में के थ्रू उनको इन्वॉल्व करते रहेंगे, तो मुझे लगता है उनके लिए बहुत अच्छा होगा.
अशोक सर, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
मैं तो बहुत I just want to tell all our friends that I'm really grateful that I have such wonderful relationship with all the celebrity friends, okay, and they are really going out of the way to support me. एक आवाज़ दो, they are there for me. You know, I'm so grateful.
All the best.
All the best.
सर एक आपसे क्वेश्चन है सर आपके हिसाब से सर आपके अनुसार सेलिब्रिटीज सोसाइटी इंटीरियर डिजाइन को बढ़ावा देने के लिए किस तरह से
हमारे जितने भी फंक्शन होते हैं उनके लिए वो आते हैं, ज़रूर आते हैं, बहुत मोटिवेशन देते हैं हमें। एंड हमारे जो आर्किटेक्ट्स फर्टिलिटी है, इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनर है, स्टूडेंट्स हैं, उनके लिए बहुत मोटिवेशन देते हैं, तो बहुत खुशी की बात है।
Oh, here come. Both of you together. Come that side. पीछे से आए. अच्छा, that side.
That side.
एक ही पहनाना चाहिए ना.
और एक bouquet for that.
Shivani, please. Lovely wedding anniversary to the beautiful couple. Friends from the media and our distinguished dignitaries, please join us for the cake cutting ceremony. Right now is the cake cutting ceremony. Please हमें join कीजिए. सब ख्याल रखना. ऐसे ये एंगल मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट है.
He always smile at all.
क्या बात है. अच्छा तो हमेशा खुशियाँ ही होती है. यार इनके तो पूरे मंत्रा किताब लिखनी पड़ेगी इनकी लाइफ स्टोरी पर. अब किताब का भी ऐलान करते हैं, है ना, पब्लिकेशंस में. So please come. All my dignitaries, please come. Most loving couple, ladies and gentlemen, heartfelt congratulations on this lavish wedding anniversary celebration.
Congratulations and celebration.
क्या बात है?
Want to know I'm happy as can be. Congratulations and jubilation. I want the world to know how happy I can be.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है.
Beautiful. Preeti, you know it so well. I had no idea about the lyrics too. आपको भी आता है? So Preeti is the one. Preeti is the one.
चलिए.
Lovely celebration.